Alright, so this is going to be labeled as L1. Very long line. Descaled this one and degreased it as well. We're going to run the camera through as far as we can go to show that it's clear. And again, we're going against the flow, so the camera's kind of acting like a little bulldozer. So we'll get a better picture when we're pulling back like the previous videos. So it makes a couple turns before it straightens out and goes under the building. And then because of those turns, we really can only push the camera so far. So we're going to try to push it as far as we can through here. I think we're going to be stuck right here at another turn. That's a tiny bit of the buildup we've been pulling out of the pipe. We've left a huge trash bag on site, so the camera is right up against. That's actually a very small piece, but the camera magnifies it because we're so close to it. So that's going to be a 45 at 50 feet. Without pulling any toilets, that's as far as we're going to be able to map this line. Very odd how this line runs. Again, this is L1. So you can see how small that piece of debris was right there. And now that we're pulling back, it's just the camera was jammed right up against it. So we've got the main line nice and clean. You can see how nice and round it is. And if you haven't, we're going to leave this trash bag full of what we pulled out of this building in the trash room. I'd say it probably weighs maybe 20 pounds. It's quite a bit of debris that we've been able to clean out of all these main lines. So now we've got an idea of how all the lines run, where they run, and most importantly, everything has been cleaned as far as all of the main lines. So all the branch lines that dump into it, if something backs up, we know it's not these lines. It's the condition of the lines. It's going to be somebody that's putting something down the lines that the cast iron lines can't handle. Looks good. So now we're coming back out of the clean out, and this is L1.